Lebo Sataya, Mama Obia online. Wow, look at the numbers. Calvary greetings to over 3,000 people watching this quarantine sermon. Can I preach? Yeah. Briefly, let me share with you the secret of how the coronavirus started. A poor man called Zhang. He met Han, a pretty lady, the daughter of a rich scientist in China. Zhang met Han and he decided to woo Han. Some weeks later, they told the scientist they wanted to get married. What? The scientist was angry and he sent assassins to go and inject Zhang with the COVID-19 virus, and it began to spread. But assuming he knew, can't anybody man knew that the virus will spread like this and turn the whole world into a coronation.
My God.
He wouldn't have, but well, we can't blame him. He didn't think about it. Like the Yorubas will say, Corona.
Jesus is Lord.
Listen to me. Do you know that it could also have been stopped? I mean the spread. If only they had investigated and requested an autopsy report from a corona.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
Brethren, listen to me. Brethren, what's happening to the numbers?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Can you fuck away? Brethren,
This stupid thing cannot continue like this.
Brethren, can you fuck off? Why this? His brethren are not loyal.